Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa and in today's video I would like to show you how I store my air dry clay, cold porcelain clay, and polymer clay. So this is how I store it. So, I like to take a cup of clay, that I just made. I use cling wrap, or saran wrap. I use twist tie storage bags. And I use gallon size storage Ziploc bags. And the reason I like to triple bag my clay is because I make a lot of clay and I process a lot of clay with the Fimo, and I don't want it to dry out. So I will triple bag my air dry clay. So what I do is I take my piece of cling wrap and get the ends going. And if you hear the bird in the background, I apologize. That's my bird, and I can't put him in another room. Anyways, I take my cling wrap and take a good length off of it. Like I said, I take a cup of clay or 4 pieces of Fimo, and you put it in your cling wrap, and then you fold it one way, 2 ways, and then fold it this way and that way. And then you take your twist tie storage bag and you put it in, and you want to get the air out of it and twist it. So, and then I take a sandwich bag, gallon sandwich bags, and I label with masking tape and a Sharpie marker. I label, the colors on both sides, white, whatever the color is, and I open it and I take my clay and I put it inside. And this prevents the air dry clay or cold porcelain clay from drying out. And it also, I store my clay in a big shoebox here, because I make a lot of clay. I make a lot of different colors, purple, black, white, yellow, green, etc. And I want to have my store clay all in one area. So that's what I do. And then with my Fimo clay, the polymer clay, I take the storage bags, the gallon size storage bags, I label it front and back, and I just put it in there. I don't double bag it or triple, I just put it in the storage bag. Now it will kind of dry the bag out or cloud it up a little bit and kind of make it messy, but it does not affect the clay. And what I like to do is, after I process the condition the Fimo clay, is I like to roll it into balls like this, just kind of roll it into a snake, and I store it that way, so when I take it out, all I have to do is just start rolling, and it's pretty much conditioned. And in another video, I'll show you how to condition polymer clay. But that's how I store my clay, and, let me tell you, with storing polymer clay, like Fimo, it will eat through styrofoam, it will eat through certain types of plastics, because, polymer clay like Fimo and Sculpty and, clay like that, they're made out of, an oil-based clay, and it will eat through, plastics, and, so I find that the Fimo in these plastic bags do not, the Fimo does not eat through my plastic bag. So I started using those a long time ago, and it tends to work. Well, I hope that helps, and that's how I store my clay, and maybe give you hope I help you store yours a little bit. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and please give me a thumbs up on my video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting more videos like this, and please subscribe. Thank you.